Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainsley Bullion, ainsleyBullion.com.au with your weekly product spotlight, where we highlight one of the amazing products we have available for sale online or over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores. Let's get this into focus. What a cool little odd-sized bar, but let's talk about why you might want to stack it. It's the Ainsley Bullion 2-ounce cast gold bar. What a cool little bar it is. It's a little bit chunkier, obviously, than your 1-ounce size, but not as chunky as your 10-ounce and your 100 grammers, so it is an odd size. Let's talk about that in a second, but of course, the Ainsley Bullion logo at the top and Ainsley Bullion in text at the bottom, and we'll turn it around and flip it horizontally, and you have right here, of course, very simple design, 2 ounces, fine gold, 9999, 4 nines pure, 99.99% purity of gold. So why might you want to get a 2-ounce? Well, of course, as we talk about here at Ainsley Bullion is diversification. So you do want to diversify within types, so buy gold and buy silver, diversify within size as well, diversify within brand too. Don't just buy Ainsley Bullion, although we really want you to, but you do want to diversify within brand as well. But diversifying in size is a good idea. We talk about it a lot. Why? Because you don't know where the world is going. And only if you're only selling back to a dealer like us, yes, maybe you just buy the biggest bars that you can afford because it'll be a cheaper premium or a lower premium. But again, if you think you have to sell privately to an individual or a bunch of individuals, maybe they've only got enough cash for smaller sizes. But a lot of people find that they like to buy the 1-ounce size and sometimes smaller into fractional, and sometimes they buy the larger sizes for the lower premiums. But here, the 2-ounce, we call it the sweet spot right here. So you are getting still a very decent premium in terms of its size because it is larger than a 1-ounce, but it is small enough that it is reasonable to say that someone will have spare cash to buy at least 1 2-ounce bar. So that's why we call it the sweet spot here. You'll see that listed on the product description. We do mention the sweet spot. I'll put a link below to the product page in the info section of the YouTube page as part of the pinned comment. So that's the reasons why you want to diversify within size, and also it's a nice little sweet spot. It's like not too heavy, not too light. It's not too large that prohibits the regular average Joe that you might just sell to privately, whether that's your next door neighbor or on a forum or something like that. It's not out of sort of the everyday individual's price range, but you're still also getting it for a decent premium as well. So the premium will be less than it is if you were buying, say, 2 times 1-ounce bars. So you get a bit of a discount, inherent discount there as well. So the 2-ounce Ainsley Bullion cast gold bar, I think, is worth at least looking a little bit more at. So head over to the product description, the product page, info section of the YouTube page, and as part of the pinned comment to this very cool, funky, and chunky little bar. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, thanks for choosing Ainsley.